I'm just all over the place today. I'm dropping everything. Go therefore and make disciples of all the nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Matthew 28:19. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome. My name is Ken, and I'm so happy that you chose to click on your girl's video because, you know, I am pretty cool. I'm pretty awesome. What I'll be doing today is doing a tutorial / review, and what I'll be reviewing is the ITSMYRAYERAYE and BH Cosmetics collaboration palette. This is actually the look that I created strictly using her palette. So if you would like to know how you can achieve this look using the ITSMYRAYERAYE and BH Cosmetics collaboration palette, then make sure you keep watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, so as you can tell, I have already did my eyebrows, and I have already put on my foundation, and I have already primed and prepped my eyes. So let's get into it. So this is just like a sleeve, and then you just kind of slide it out like so, and then you open it from here. And okay, let me move this out of the way. These are the, can you see them? These are the contours, and these are the highlights. So you get 3 highlights and 3 contours, so that's pretty cool. And then at the top, when you flip it up, you have this really cute mirror, which I always like a palette that comes with a mirror, so that's pretty awesome that it comes with one. These are 15, if I can move the sleeve out the way, 15 eyeshadows, and it's pretty, wow, it's just, I think that these colors are just beautiful, and I'm super excited to use them. And let's just jump right into the look, shall we? So the first color that I'm gonna go ahead and start off with is Sunset, which is this color right here. That's gonna be our like blending color. That's gonna kind of help everything blend together, right? Oh wow, okay. Okay, right? That's cute. That's real cute. I like that. I already tell that these colors are very pigmented, which is something that I did see on YouTube, but of course, you know, you gotta see it for yourself. There is a little bit of fallout, but it isn't like too much where it's just like wood. So it's not too bad though. The brushes are nice too. They're really soft, and I like that this this blending brush is really flexible. I like flexible blending brushes. I cannot stand getting a stiff blending brush that like bothers me, man. Now I'm gonna go in with Friday, and I'm gonna set that right on top of Sunset. Let's see how this looks. And I'm gonna put that right in my crease. Oh wow. Guys, like seriously, for the price, okay, so let me just like, I have a confession. This is my first time ever even purchasing from BH Cosmetics. So I'm like really impressed. I was just always like very skeptical, and I think it was mainly because of the prices, which is crazy because I buy cheaper brand things, but I don't know. I just never bought their stuff. So, but I am like super impressed by this. Another thing that I like is that when I put it, there's a little bit of fallout here, but as I'm placing it on my eye, there's no fallout, and I love that. That's the bomb, okay? So the next color that I'm gonna go ahead and use is Connie, which is this purple color right here, and I'm gonna put that on the outer V, but bring it into my crease. I really want to bring some depth to my crease, so that's where I'm gonna put this, and I'm gonna put it right there, and I'm gonna just bring it up, like smoke it up. Next color that I'm gonna take is Black Beauty, and I'm actually gonna take another brush of mine by Morphe. It is the Y19 brush, only because it's a little bit more stiff for what I wanna accomplish. So put a little bit on there, take the excess off, put it right on the outside, and I'm doing more of a dabbing motion versus a blending motion. I'm just bringing that black in just a little bit into my crease. Now I'm gonna go in with MAC NW40 concealer, and I'm just gonna take a flat brush like this. Now I'm gonna go in with Tiffany with the number 8 brush, and I'm just gonna put that right on there, and I'm actually gonna put this right on top of the concealer. They're so creamy. Like, these shimmery colors like remind me of almost like pigments. They're so pretty, and the color payoff is amazing. Wow. I probably honestly didn't even need the concealer. This is super cute. Oh my gosh, I really like this. Okay, right? That's cute. Thumbs up. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead with my Anastasia cream liner. I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes, and I will be right back. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend this concealer out, and also go ahead and do just a little bit of baking. We'll see. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set the concealer with my Midnight Banana Powder. There you go. Woo. I was like, Midnight Banana Powder. Y'all can't even. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Brownie Bite to contour my face. And I'm going in with her number 3. I'm not gonna take a lot of this because I did see that this is highly pigmented, just like the eyeshadows. So let's see. I'm a little nervous. Ooh, I hate doing this wrong, so okay, here we go. We're just gonna go. Whatever. YOLO, right? No, y'all don't say that no more, do y'all? All right, so here we go. Ooh. Ah! Girl, look at that. Look at that. This is cute. Red. Yeah, I'm gonna have a little long. I'm gonna be careful though, cause oh my gosh. Ooh. Ooh. I look like I'm doing this, but I'm not. That's cute. I just found my everyday highlighter, cause I'm sorry. I just found my everyday contour. I know I've been using the Anastasia foundation stick. I just prefer powder. This, y'all, I look skinny. I mean, I'm not. I am kind of skinny, but my face look, woo, snatch, woo. I'm just gonna blend it out just you know, because we don't want it to be too harsh. We still want it to look natural. You don't want it to look too like, this is super cute. Oh my gosh. Where have you been my entire life? So now I'm gonna go in with Mocha, and I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose. I don't want to use Brownie because I don't like a harsh contour on my nose. I just don't, never have. So I always try to do something a little bit lighter. Okay, I mean, it's a little bit darker. Like, it isn't darker than me, but like you can see it on my nose. Let me go ahead and do my forehead while I'm sitting here playing. Oh, yes. I know it sounds like I'm a little bit over the top. I'm just an over the top person, but I'm extremely impressed by this palette. I literally, like, no words. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my blush so that way I can try out this highlight. I totally forgot to take off the stay powder. Jesus. Let me do that first before I walk around looking like who did it and why. Let me blend this out real quick. I do not need a flashback. That's not cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the number 4 highlighting brush, and I'm gonna go with, oh, French Toast is cute, but so is Radiant. I think I'm gonna go in with Radiant. That's cute. Let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, girl. Oh my gosh, this is super cute. Oh my god. This is like just as good as my Anastasia palettes. Blend it out just a little bit so y'all can see. Look at that. Come on, look at that. Let me come back a little bit too so you don't think it's just the lighting. Look at that. That's from a distance a little bit. This is up close. Girl, you did that. I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose. I am gonna put a little bit on my forehead. And I'm gonna go in to the tear duct and I'm gonna put a little bit of this in my tear duct. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my look and I will be right back. Okay guys, so here's the finished look. So my overall review, I'm gonna give this palette a 10. It is not only because of the colors and all those things, it's because for one, the pricing, for two, I think that what she offers compared to the pricing, like you seriously cannot beat this. I'm not sure exactly how much the palette is by itself. I want to say 22, but I will put the link in the description box for you guys. Now, if I go on there and they still have the sale with the palette and the brushes, then I'll be sure to also put that link as well. I want to say that with the brushes and the palette, it was around $34. I'm not sure if they still have that sale, like I said, but I will go on there and I will check for you guys. I'm just extremely impressed with this palette. I like this highlight, the colors, the pigment, the brushes, how soft they are. They seem like they're gonna be pretty durable, and they're also, you know, my favorite color, so that gave it a point as well. Thank you, Ray, so much for creating this palette for all of us. I'm super happy. I'm super excited to create more looks for you guys using this palette. Wow, that's all I can say. So I definitely give this palette and the brushes a 10. So yeah, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, then make sure you go ahead and thumbs up on this video. Thank you so much again for tuning into my channel again. If you haven't already subscribed, I don't really know what you're waiting for and understand why you watched this whole video and you still have not subscribed. Like, if you can now already tell, like, I'm pretty awesome, so why have you not subscribed? Girl, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and go ahead and make sure you hit that alert button so that way you don't miss any of my videos that I post. So thank y'all so much for tuning into my channel. I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys. God bless. Bye.